In Ramstein flag there is 12 nations participating with fighter aircrafts, but also with other supported aircrafts from different countries. We have a joint air power operation here, and it's the first opportunity that the alliance exercise the counter A2, AD scenario, the area access, area denial, and also the IMD concept, the integrated air and missile defense scenario, in order to increase the deterrence of the alliance.
The strength of this exercise is really working together with our NATO allies, continuing to refine our tactics, techniques, and procedures. The strength here is that we learn from each other, find what each country is really good at, learn upon that, but also the highlight is we identify our weaknesses and we really work to improve together as NATO forces. So yeah, the real benefit is us able to bring the F-35, the latest 5th gen asset. Obviously we have them from other partners within NATO that have them, but it's really the first time at a flag level that we're bringing the F-35 in to really maximize the strengths that aircraft brings, also with our 4th gen aircraft as we integrate at a large flag exercise.
Yeah, what we're working here is a really realistic and a complex scenario where we try to get inside an enemy air defense area. So counter area access and area denial is one of the main efforts we train here. Our aircraft, the Gripen, is built for dispersed operation in Sweden. That means that we can actually land or take off at remote highways, so that's really useful. This is the first real live exercise for the Swedish Air Force. What I'm looking forward is exercises like this where we actually can meet and train together so we can fly, fight and win if needed as one.
So Ramstein flag is a multinational exercise from NATO. It brings a lot of NATO countries together to train on a complex tactical level. So Spain is bringing to the game pretty much 6 Eurofighters with all their capabilities. You can fly together and then you can land and have a face-to-face debrief, which is actually where we actually get all the valuable lessons from the flight. So the main difference when we train back home and when we train here is that all the different nations bring different capabilities to the fight. Learning how to integrate all those capabilities together to be efficient and at the end getting the mission done is what is the biggest outcome, I would say.
So the DARS is designed to be an integrated platform along with other airborne, maritime and land aspects to have a fused common picture for everyone to operate from. We use that through data links, all contributing to a central picture that goes up through the combined air operations centres and ultimately contributes to the air policing picture that NATO provides. DARS is made up of multiple agency contributions from NCIA, NSPA, and it's contributed by many nations through personnel as well and funding. We've got 12 nations represented, NATO nations represented here, and 16 within the DAC. So we're here in RAFL to hone our skills in the large flying exercise that it is. And we do that because we're held at high readiness to make sure that we can go into the field and be a sustainable capability out to whatever is required by the command chain.
We are mainly focusing on the 2 main objectives of this exercise, that is training together with our allied countries, operations of IAMD and counter A2 AD. So Portugal, as one of the founder countries of the alliance, has always looked into the alliance to the utmost importance. And being here together with our allies allow us to face some challenge of cooperation and integration, and nowadays, especially with the 5th generation, to make sure that we put to test our operational capability so that we can take our lesson learned and that we can redirect again our training back home.